أشهد
أشهد
أن لا إله
أن لا إله
إلا الله
إلا الله
وحده
وحده
لا شريك له
لا شريك له
وأشهد
وأشهد
أن محمدا
أن محمدا عبده
ورسوله.
ورسوله.
First condition of the Bai'at of the Promised Messiah is that we must not associate anything with God. This is very, very deep subject. If we think about it, and then we will start to realize how deep it is, like a root, and everything goes from it. So that's in religion, everything goes from this. I did not think about it so deeply before I became an Ahmadi. When I became an Ahmadi, then I realized how deep this subject is. So I started changing my life according to this and other conditions as well. First of all, when I accepted Ahmadiyyat, I realized that I really should dress as a Muslim woman, because God wanted us and God commanded us that we should behave and dress as a Muslim woman. I did practice Islam before, but I did not dress as a Muslim woman. So I started by wearing a long shirt, long sleeves, etc. But it was very difficult for me to put scarf on my head. I was worried what people will say, how will I look like, how people will take me. Maybe I will not be able to go on some places, etc. And what my friend back there in Bosnia will say about me. And then at one point, I used to come to the mosque with scarf, and as soon as I leave the mosque, I should take my scarf off and put it in bag. At one point, I realized and said to myself, do I want to please God? Do I want to do something for God's sake, for His love, or for love of other people? And then that was breaking point, and I decided that I will wear scarf because God will be pleased with me and He will love me, and only His love is everlasting love, and this is most important. So from then, I was very strong, and I was ready to defend any comments which people may make about me wearing scarf and how I changed. And even a friend of mine, when I went back to Bosnia, when she saw me, we have known each other from very young age, she said to me openly on the street, oh, look at her, she wrapped up herself. And I said, yeah, this is fashion now, don't you know? So I became very strong, and I was ready to defend it because I rely on God, I believe in God, I do it for Him, I rely on Him, I ask Him for help. So if we do everything for God's sake and just to please Him, we will rely on Him, ask Him for help, and God will help us, inshallah.